In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a 1099 NEC in the self-employment section. If you need to report income from freelance work, contract jobs, or other non-employee compensation, this is where you'll enter it. The process is simple, but it's important to enter the information carefully so your income is reported accurately. Start by going to the Wages and Income section of your return. This area is where you enter different types of earnings, including job income, investment income, and income from self-employment. Once you're there, look for the self-employment category and open it. This section is specifically designed for income that was not earned as a traditional employee. Next, click Add 1099 NEC. This opens the form entry screen for non-employee compensation. A 1099 NEC is commonly used when you are paid as an independent contractor rather than through payroll, so this step is essential if you receive that form from a client or business. On the entry screen, type in the amount from box 1, which represents the compensation you were paid. Make sure you enter the number exactly as it appears on your form. This amount is the key figure being reported, so even a small typo can affect your return. After that, enter the payer's EIN details. The EIN is the business identification number shown on the 1099 NEC form. Be sure to copy it carefully and match the format shown. Accuracy matters here because this information helps connect the income on your return to the information submitted by the payer. As you complete this section, it's a good idea to double check both the box 1 amount and the EIN before moving on. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent errors and reduce the chance of follow-up issues later. Once those details are entered, you've completed the basic 1099 NEC entry process in the self-employment section. From there, you can continue through the rest of your return as needed. That's it for this walkthrough. Follow these steps carefully, enter the information exactly as shown on your form, and you'll be in good shape.